Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today's word is cost. Cost is an A1 level noun, and it means price. It refers to the amount of money required to purchase or obtain something. So, when you go to the store and buy a loaf of bread, the cost is the money you have to pay for it. We use cost all the time in everyday language. For example, we might ask, "What's the cost of this shirt?" Or say, "The cost of living is rising." Understanding cost is fundamental to understanding economics and everyday transactions. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for cost. One synonym is price. Price is very similar to cost and is often used interchangeably. For instance, instead of saying the cost of the book is $20, you could say the price of the book is $20. Another synonym is charge. Charge is often used when referring to a service or a fee. For example, they charge a high cost for their services, or the charge for the repair was quite high. You could also use the word expense. Expense often implies a more significant or unexpected cost. For example, the medical expenses were a significant cost to the family, or traveling is a fun but sometimes costly expense. Another close synonym could be expenditure, which is more formal and indicates the action of spending money. For example, the government's expenditure on education represents a significant cost. Now, let's explore some antonyms for cost. An antonym is a word with the opposite meaning. A key antonym for cost is free. If something is free, it has no cost. For example, the admission was free. There was no cost to enter the museum, or this app is free to download, so there is no cost involved. Another antonym is benefit. While benefit isn't a direct opposite, it highlights the positive value received in contrast to the monetary cost. For example, the benefit of investing in education far outweighs the initial cost. Another antonym is discount. A discount is a reduction in the original cost. For example, there's a 20% discount, so the cost is lower, or we got a great discount on the furniture, which significantly reduced the cost. Another relevant word is saving. A saving represents a reduction in the eventual cost. For instance, buying in bulk results in saving. Lowering the overall cost, or energy-efficient appliances offers saving over time, reducing long-term cost.